Hey guys, how you doing? I hope all is well. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on camera. Let me scratch out my ass dresser real quick. You guys don't need to see all of that. That's good enough. Okay, so I got this I literally got this like 3 weeks ago, but I've been so busy I haven't had the time to even open this box. So you already know with a big box it's obviously something lit. I'm gonna open it real quick. Yeah, sorry, I don't have a scissors, so I'm just gonna use one of these razor thing. And no, I'm not gonna use it on my face after. It's pretty dull, so you know, I'm like, let me open this box with it. Just open that real quick. This box has literally just been sitting on my counter for like 3 weeks. Like I've been so busy. There we go. And yes, it is. Oh my gosh, why they put it in like this? It's like every time you look how they open it. I actually got this from, is it Finish Line or Foot Locker? I think it's Finish Line. I got this from Finish Line. It came out a couple of months ago. This is the Auto Max, the self-lace sneaker. I did a video on the Auto Max that came out, I believe, a month ago, and that was the one that came out that month. So this one came out before. This is actually, I believe this one is the motherboard. No, this is not the motherboard. Which one is this called? Doesn't even say. The Pure Platinum. Okay. Ew, this should look like a return. Yeah, I was surprised I actually seen it on the Finish Line website. So I figure it would have been a return. It would have been like something that, you know, the person doesn't want no more. But I always liked this Auto Max color. So yeah, this is how it look. It comes with the book. And this is the inside of the shoes. Some people in my comment had a few questions to ask about the Auto Max sneaker. I believe like some of the things that I didn't point out in the last video. I guess someone hit me up and they wanted to know about the light, like if the like if the light right here, does it stay on all the time while you walk? Did my light stay on? I don't think it did, but we're gonna try it on right now. This one, I have the blue one in my room. I'm not even gonna get to that. No need to compare and contrast. It's the same thing, just different color. However, this one does look pretty big. This look big. I'll try it on and I'll see. It definitely look pretty big. I'll try it on and I'll see. The size that I got in this one is an 8 actually. This is an 8. I normally wear 7 in these. This looks like a men's size. I hope it's not a men's size 8, but you know, I try it on and I'll see how it look. Okay. This is that was dark gray, and this one is light gray with the infrared. So that's like the major only difference between that one and this one. Is like the color scheme. The toe box is plain meshy. Like I told you, I compare this toe box to the Prestos that I have, because I feel like the toe box for the Prestos is like the same thing. And hopefully, unlike the Prestos, because the Prestos, like I showed y'all in the last video, is starting to deteriorate. Hopefully this toe box does not deteriorate. Let's hope it don't. It better not. Damn it, the shoes cost $400. It shouldn't. There shouldn't be no problems with this damn shoes. Okay, no problems at all. Okay, so like I said, hopefully it does not deteriorate, because like my Presto toe box area is looks horrible. But and I love the Prestos, like I really do. I prefer those Prestos over Prestos React. So I'm not even gonna get into it. I always talk about Prestos, right? Yeah, I think those must be my favorite shoes. Well, okay. So yeah, I wish somebody could trade with me. If anybody want to trade a size 8 for a size 7, let me know, because like this is a little bit big on my feet. To me it just look it looked doofy. I knew it was definitely not my size. I knew it was just gonna be a little big, but I didn't think it would look that doofy. It literally looks look doofy as shit. So I'm like, damn, I'm really thinking like, should I really just keep it just to the color and look mad doofy walking down the street, or do I want to give it up to not find a shoe again? Because I ain't buying no damn shoes on eBay. Damn prices on eBay, are you crazy? They want to pay, they want to charge more than the retail price. Some of these people, like, no, I am not, for shoes I will not pay more than the retail value. I pay retail value and that's it, no more no less. If the retail value, like I said, for this one is $400, then I will pay the $400. Why? Because those are retail value. I ain't gonna buy no of these shoes for like $600. You got me. Okay, no, not me. I'm paying the retail value because I like it. I'm not going over. Sorry, we're not doing it. Sorry, resellers. Nah, no, I'm not doing it. So if I have to give it up, then, you know, I'll have to give it up. At least I could say that, you know, I tried it on, I experienced it, I put my foot in it, and then it was a little too big. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep it because it definitely does look doofy. So, but if you want to trade, let me know. Like I said, this box has been sitting on my counter for like 3 weeks now, so I hope the return policy isn't over yet. I gotta check. I hope the return policy isn't over yet. I gotta check my email. If it is, then damn, I'm probably stuck with it. But it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. That's something I gotta think about. Let's see what else we can talk about this shoes. So I already hit the lighting area. Features and everything else is still the same. Bubble. That's another thing, a bubble. Because throughout the years, as we go by, the bubbles for shoes, it does tend to pop. Yes. After a while, your bubbles do, what's the word, it does go down, it does soften up, it does tend to pop. And this does actually, it definitely is a bubble in there, just like all the Air Maxes. The Air Maxes carry a bubble. 10-20 years down the line, you know, these shoes will have wear and tear, whether you wear it or you don't wear it. Even when you don't wear the shoes, they do start to deteriorate after a while. So it's best that you do wear it, because at least it it's better to wear it. I don't know what happens, but they said it's definitely better to wear the shoes than not to wear it, because when you don't wear it, it will tend to die out faster. It's like when you don't use something. When you don't use it, you lose it. So yeah, those things definitely does happen within time, of course, within time. So the bubble, who knows if it will pop. That's one thing I didn't really speak about in the last video, about it having bubble. So the battery part is, I believe it's like right here, like in the sole of the shoes. Will the battery overheat? So far with mine, well, it's new, so obviously it's not gonna happen right away. I don't know if the battery is gonna overheat. Who knows? It is a battery, anything could happen to a battery. But I'm pretty sure they tested and they made sure it's safe enough to not overheat. And then even if it does overheat, it's a lawsuit. Your foot might be gone, but you know, I'm just saying. I'm just joking. Don't do that. I'm just joking. It's just a joke. So yeah, but now I'm pretty sure. No, with my other one, the longest I have worn it was, I'll say, what's the longest I wore it? I wore it for like a whole shift, because they said you can't wear these shoes more than 24 hours. So the shift, 8-hour shift, and time I left home to work, I'll say probably wore it for like 12 hours. Did I felt any type of heat underneath since there's a battery? No, I didn't. It just felt like a regular shoes. But like I told y'all before, the shoes it has a little bit weight to it, so it's definitely not gonna be light, but it's definitely comfortable. With the comfort, you already know, I can't remember what number I gave it. I probably gave it like a 9 or a 10. But it's definitely up there in comfort. It's definitely up there in comfort. It's not as heavy as people may think. I know it definitely looks big and doofy, but it's not that heavy. I compared it to the Balenciagos in the last video. Like I said, if you have the Balenciagos, you can definitely wear this. It's probably the same or maybe a little bit more, probably. So let me see what else I could touch. Like I said, the features are still the same. The only difference is the color. Okay. Oh, let's get into the box. So these shoes, like I said, I think it's the shoes, this one that I got right now, this one, I think it's a return. Like I told you, it was the only one size available. And when I opened it, I just opened it on camera so you guys could see. Let me get the box real quick. I'll turn it off. When I opened it, the box, definitely, it didn't rip on me, but I got it a little rip. Just a little bit. Where is the rip at? Is it this side? Oh, right here. Let's see if you guys could see it. See right here? Yeah, it's definitely a rip. And with these shoes, you know, I love the presentation. I definitely love the presentation. I'll pull it down, open it once more. This is the inside. That's just the shoe. This one, the inside part that I took out. I'm gonna open up this right here. Get it out. Okay, this is not working. I don't have much space over here to work with. Okay, here we go. I took it out. Let's see what colors our robot. Obviously it's gonna be infrared. The shoe's infrared. I already have the blue robot. It smells like a new shoes even when you open this part. Hello, it's not Moto, but look at the robot right here. I forgot what we call him. I forgot his name. A little infrared type color. It's not really red, but yeah, it's the little robot. This right here, that's the charger. We know, plug that part in. And that's the little complication that I told you guys before. So not only do I have to charge my phone, I have to charge my Apple Watch, and I have to charge my sneakers. So it's like, damn, I gotta charge everything before I leave the house. Imagine if you don't charge it, everything's just gonna be dead. So yeah, that's I feel like it's just a bit too much. You gotta charge your phone. Nah. And especially like for people like me that's going to school. Well, we're not in school right now, but when schools start up again, we gotta charge up our laptops and bring that with us. It's like 4 things. What else do we have to charge and bring with us? So yeah, that's the charger right here. I don't need to take that out. You already know what that is. LO. So cute. I love the presentation. The presentation is definitely on point. I guess that's what goes into our $400 budget, right? Yeah. Not only are we paying for that shoe, we're also paying for this this nice little cute presentation as well. On the bottom, as you can see, that's the other charge part where you place the shoes on top. So no need to open that up. I already spoke about that in the last video. Cute, very cute, love it. So yeah, even like, look, I don't know if you can see the box, but there's a little bit damaged. Not really damaged, a little dirt. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it's a little bit dirt. That's just another reason why I feel like, yeah, somebody just was like, okay, you know what, let me return this and get the other one, because I haven't worn it yet. And they just return it, and me, I'm the one who end up getting it, wouldn't have purchased in it. So yes, I'm getting ready to wrap up this video. Like I told you guys, I have video that I will be posting every Tuesday and Thursday. Check out my last review that I did on these Automax. I put it in the description down below. If you have any questions about the shoes, or you need me to answer any questions that I probably didn't hit, of course I'm not gonna hit all the questions. Like, who got time for that? That's gonna be a whole long video. No, I got time for that. But if you have any question, I can answer the question based on my experience wearing these shoes. Like I told you, I already have one. I could let you know what you want to know. The lacings is, will this break off after a while? I don't know, but I'll wear it some more if you have any other questions about. And the other one is still in stores, so yes, you do have a chance to get it. Try it out. Even if you don't like it, you can just return it, you know. But I think people will like it if they try it out. It definitely look intimidating, don't get me wrong, it looks intimidating, but I love this shoe. This is one shoe I have to say I love it, and I better like it because I paid $400 for this shit. So yeah, I better like it. I really do. It's super comfortable. Like, it makes me not even want to wear no other shoes. Like, it really don't. I really love the shoes, and this is actually the shoes I'm surprised that I like it, because a lot of people really don't. A lot of people really don't like it, but I love it, I have to say. I do. So once again, if you have any questions about the sneaker, just shoot it in my comment section below. You know, I'll write you back as soon as I see the questions, whatever you need to be answered. Videos are going to be coming out every Tuesday and Thursday, so yes, I'm gonna be on my video shit every Tuesday and Thursday. I got so much things to talk about. It's just the timing. I've been just so busy dealing with the house. When you have a house, it's like a lot of shit you have to deal with, but I've been so much busy dealing with that. But it's okay, because I'm gonna still shoot these videos out for you. All right, so subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe. I'm trying to hit like a lot of, like, what, 1,000 subscribers or subscription, slowly but surely. I gotta get up there. So subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video, and bye. See you guys later. All right, bye.
So when you hit it, look, pay attention to the tongue.
Oh,
see how the tongue goes down? But the tongue go down, but the laces is still up.
well, they said there was no function for the lacings anyway.
They better tell the truth. Yeah, and that's how those function.
So what? Ooh, this is tight too. You can feel it.
It's tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
Oh, it's gonna work.
So the tongue is what tightens the shoes. Not really this is
really
like
an
no
elastic.
function. Yeah, it's pretty much just an
The
elastic.
elastic stays where it's at. The tongue moves back and forward.
Yeah.
When you hit plus, it moves up. When you hit negative,
Oh,
it
the
moves
dogs.
back.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they doing that on purpose.
All right. Sorry, that's the dogs. They want to play with their toy now.